How to turn on usage statistics on Opera Mini app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable usage statistics easily. So first thing, go to Opera Mini. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down and click on the Opera icon and click here. Now scroll down until you find advanced option. Click on it and click on the usage statistics right here. Now you can enable them easily by clicking on enabled. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.